Hi guys and welcome back. This is the first presentation for section 2. So in this particular one we're going to be looking at specifically what are toxins. So we're right at the start of the course now. We're going to define what toxins actually are. Now I don't think there's any doubt that we live in an ever increasingly toxic world. It doesn't seem to be getting any better. In fact, it actually seems to be getting worse. It's actually estimated that by 9 AM we've already been exposed to over 120 toxins. Now that's just in our homes, our cars and going about our daily lives. Toxins irritate, damage, destroy or even impair normal function and activity of the body's cells, enzymes and tissues. Now there are toxins in the air we breathe, the water we drink and the foods that we eat. They're absolutely everywhere, they're almost impossible to avoid. Now these toxins vary from heavy metals, microplastics, herbicides, pesticides, chlorine and fluoride in our water. Now we're going to be more specific about these toxins and break them down, each one down into individual components in section 4, so there will be a lot more detail there. Now the body can quite comfortably deal with small amounts of toxins, even over a very prolonged period. However, this changes if we overwhelm the system or we introduce more toxins. Although a large acute exposure to toxins can easily cause death, such as arsenic for example, this course specifically focuses on long-term chronic exposure, how that can be harmful and what we can ultimately do about it. All toxins are poisonous, however they also affect us in different ways. So for example, heavy metals can build up and displace normal good trace elements in our system such as zinc, copper and magnesium. Other toxins can build up and be deposited and stored in our body's tissues, organs and our bones. And this can lead from everything from allergies, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, asthma, leukemia and other cancers. There are many factors involved when dealing with exposure to toxins, such as the type of effect of the toxin and the toxin potency. Other factors include the pathway route, so how has it actually got into your body? That's important as well. The length of exposure and the long-term dosages that you've been exposed to. Now all toxins increase the body's inflammatory burden, and if the exposure becomes chronic, this will inevitably lead to ill health and debilitating diseases. So to summarise this little presentation, we do know that long-term chronic exposure to toxins can and will affect any and all systems within our body, leading to significant impact on not only your well-being, but on your physical health, your mental health and your quality of life. So that deals a little bit about what actually toxins are. The next presentation we're going to be looking at detoxification itself and our detoxification pathways. Okay, thanks for listening. I'll catch you on the next slide. Bye bye for now.